In the vast expanse of the digital universe, few entities hold as much sway as the YouTube algorithm. This intricate system, designed to curate and recommend content, has become a powerful force. Yet, lurking beneath its surface lies a web of controversy. What is it about this algorithm that breeds contention? To understand this, we must first delve into its very nature. The YouTube algorithm is not a single entity, but rather a complex amalgamation of various algorithms, each playing a distinct role. These algorithms analyze user engagement, viewing patterns, and content performance to determine what videos are shown to whom and when. This process, seemingly benign, has profound implications. It operates on a foundation of metrics: likes, shares, comments, and watch time. Each interaction serves as a data point, feeding the algorithm and influencing what emerges in your feed. But what happens when these metrics take precedence over the content itself? Pause for a moment and consider. A video that elicits strong emotional reactions, be it outrage, shock, or disbelief, may be favored over more neutral, informative content. This is where the seeds of controversy begin to sprout. Content creators, aware of the algorithm's preferences, may intentionally craft videos designed to provoke. The thirst for views translates into a race for sensationalism. Take, for example, the rise of clickbait. Titles that promise outrageous claims or sensational stories lure viewers in. "You won't believe what happened next," or "This will change everything." These phrases are not mere embellishments. They are strategic maneuvers aimed at maximizing clicks. The algorithm responds positively to high click-through rates, pushing these videos further into the spotlight. Yet this creates a paradox. The very nature of controversy, while lucrative, can lead to a toxic environment. The algorithm thrives on engagement, often prioritizing videos that polarize viewers. This polarization can manifest in divisive comments, heated debates, and ultimately a fracturing of communities. Consider the impact of this on social discourse. When viewers are consistently exposed to extreme viewpoints, the line between fact and fiction blurs. A user might start their day watching a video that champions one ideology and within hours find themselves deep within a rabbit hole of conflicting narratives. This phenomenon has been referred to as the filter bubble, where algorithms entrap users in echo chambers, reinforcing their existing beliefs while excluding dissenting opinions. The implications of this are profound. As viewers become more entrenched in their perspectives, the potential for meaningful dialogue diminishes. Instead of fostering understanding, the algorithm inadvertently cultivates hostility. Let us pause and reflect on a poignant example. In recent years, the rise of conspiracy theories has been fueled in part by the recommendation system. Videos promoting unfounded claims gain traction, often recommended to users who show interest in related content. This algorithmic endorsement lends credibility to fringe ideas, creating a dangerous cycle where misinformation thrives. The infamous Pizzagate conspiracy serves as a chilling reminder. What began as a baseless rumor gained momentum within certain online communities, driven by algorithms that favored sensationalism over truth. The consequences were dire, culminating in a real-world incident where an individual, convinced of the conspiracy's validity, took drastic actions. But it's not just conspiracy theories that thrive in this environment. Social issues, political debates, and cultural discussions often become battlegrounds as creators exploit the algorithm's insatiable appetite for outrage. Content that challenges societal norms or provokes strong reactions is frequently rewarded, amplifying voices that may not contribute constructively to discourse. Is the algorithm inherently flawed, or is it simply a reflection of human behavior? Some argue that it is merely a tool, amplifying what users engage with. Yet this perspective overlooks the responsibility that platforms like YouTube have in curating content. The algorithm's design prioritizes engagement, but at what cost? When the metrics of success are based solely on attention, the potential for harm increases. The YouTube algorithm, in its quest for higher viewer retention, inadvertently encourages creators to push boundaries, often crossing ethical lines in pursuit of virality. As we navigate this digital labyrinth, we must consider the consequences of our choices as viewers. Each click, each engagement, shapes the algorithm and, by extension, the content that is produced. In this system, our preferences become the blueprint for what is created. Is it possible to break free from this cycle? Can we, as consumers of content, demand better? The answer lies in our collective awareness. By recognizing the mechanisms at play, we can begin to take control of our viewing habits. To illustrate this, imagine a scenario where viewers actively seek out diverse perspectives, engaging with content that challenges their beliefs rather than reinforces them. By doing so, we not only enrich our understanding but also send a clear message to the algorithm: diversity matters. Yet even as we strive for balance, the algorithm continues to evolve. YouTube has made attempts to address some of the concerns surrounding harmful content and misinformation. Features like content warnings and fact-checking links have been introduced, but these measures often feel like band-aids on a much larger issue. The algorithm's very nature is predicated on engagement, and until that fundamental aspect is altered, the potential for controversy remains. It's a delicate dance between creators, platforms, and audiences, each influencing the other in a never-ending cycle. As we conclude this exploration into the YouTube algorithm's role in breeding controversy, let us reflect on the larger implications. The digital landscape is a mirror reflecting our collective desires, fears, and curiosities. In this space, the algorithm stands as both a guide and a gatekeeper, shaping our experiences while also trapping us in an intricate web of our own making. The mystery of how we navigate this landscape remains unsolved, a riddle that continues to unfold with each passing moment. As you venture forth, ask yourself, what path will you choose? What content will you engage with? For in this digital age, the choices we make echo far beyond the screen, influencing not only our own perceptions but the very fabric of society itself. The algorithm waits, ever vigilant, ready to respond to our desires, perhaps a little too eagerly. The question remains, what secrets still lie in its depths?